This is Trump International in Chicago. There's the room area. Over here is the restroom. This is the nice sink, followed by the shower area with a bathtub inside that same shower area. Coming around, you can see your towels and everything over there again. Nice toilet area, and even has some robes and a scale. Right by the door, there is a nice coat closet, and then go around to the kitchenette area. Cabinets are fully stocked. There's a cooktop, a sink, a dishwasher, refrigerator, which is stocked with a minibar, the water that is complimentary, an espresso machine, and a microwave. Go to the room, they'll bring your bags up for you. Place it out there. Nice big TV. Going all the way across. This is the sitting area, king size bed. And this is a river view room. And this is on the highest hotel floor. We have a closet. Lights come on when the doors are opened. Really nice big full-size closet. We have the shoe cleaning and the thing to help you put on your shoes. Some nice Trump slippers down there. And a super big full-length mirror. As you come across, you can see here's the king-size bed. Really well made. Nice big and spacious room. All the way across you have your nice big screen TV, remote, got the ice bucket, the desk area that has a notepad, a big writing area, sitting area, nice couches, and then for the best part of the room, this is a river view room. Look at that view. All the way out to the lake. You can see a bunch of the city. And that's the London House rooftop there below us. And look at all those buildings. Perfect view all the way down. You can even look down and see the road area. Again, all the way down to that river going way out to the lake. And this is the room at Trump International in Chicago, and we're on the 27th floor, which is the highest floor of the hotel section of the tower.